Okay, nail gang, today's video is going to be about this nail lamp that I purchased off Amazon. It is a 2-in-1 LED UV lamp, and I can't remember the wattage. I'm sorry, here it is right here. It is 78 watts. It says it's non-harmful, non-blackening. Okay, I picked this up because it was like a really good price, and I was like, okay, well, let's pick this up and see if it's gonna perform. So first of all, it's very, very light. Okay, get this up out of here. Y'all, it is very, very light. And this is who it's by. I'm not gonna try to slaughter the name. This one because it has a 10-second flash cure, 30-60, and then it has the 99-second heat mode, which is awesome. This is the fan that's on top to keep your hands cool inside, keep it from overheating, which is great. I also like that it had an LCD. Okay, I can't remember how many lights this said it had, but as you can see, it has a lot of LEDs, so you'll be able to get your hands cured all around this lamp, your thumbs and everything included, because you know sometimes your thumbs are missing. So that's that. It did come with an adapter. Here's the power cord, standard power cord. We're going to go ahead and get this plugged in. I'm going to be doing some gel polish today. So there's no on or off button at all on here. It's just the AC adapter. So there's no power button. So you plug it up. Okay, so I accidentally hit a button. These buttons are super easy to hit. As you can see, both of your hands can fit up in here, which is awesome. Let me pull it up a little bit. So both of your hands can fit in, which is awesome, and they fit comfortably, which means you can fit your feet up under here easily. So guys, like I said, today we're going to be doing a gel nail. I've been dying to try out these Model 1's polishes that I received while using the Madam Glam top coat and base coat. So let's go ahead and start with the base coat. I'm going to flash cure this for 10 seconds. Okay, I wanted to see if the fan came on, and it did. So that's flash cured. We're going to use 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's this nice, pretty orange color. Base coat's done. This polish is pretty thick. And actually, it's a red orange. I guess I just can't see. So it's a nice, pretty red. It's done in 30 seconds. Okay, so it does have a sticky layer on this polish, but it looks like it's done for the most part. Let's do a top coat. Okay, so this is 60 seconds and 3 layers: base coat, top coat, and the actual color. I would say that this lamp is a plus that you can have in your collection. It's super affordable. It does have that 10-second flash cure and the 99-second low heat mode that everybody once. It does have a display. Also has that cooling fan to keep everything all nice and cool. Both hands does fit up in here, which is awesome. And yeah, guys, that is it. I hope this would help you out to decide if you want to make this purchase. I say get it. It's an awesome lamp for an awesome price. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll be back with another video. Bye.
Here you have it opened right here as if somebody dropped it. Also has dirt all under here. I haven't plugged it in yet, but I'm gonna try that out too. But still, I'm not happy with this at all. Just before the plug-in to see if it works, I'm not happy with the condition that it's in. I either want my money back or a replacement, because this is not gonna cut it at all.
This clearly does not hold time correctly.
There's something like there was no sound best.
Really works nice. It gets the job done. Everything is dry.
As you can see, many lights are out.